Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Like Hina Trivedi said, we're not here to listen to the speeches, but we are here for two main reasons: to celebrate our India's Independence Day, the 67th India's Independence Day, along with many other culture programs we have, and we have a lot of dignitaries in the hall. We would like to, and I know that dignitaries' time is very important, and most of them, they are on a time schedule. And we are very glad today to have our new Consul General, Awsaf Saeed, along with his family here today, all the way from Yemen. He came last week and he's been attending events left and right. That is one important, and nobody can say how the love of India is for the Bollywood people also. It is not just us, it is also for the Bollywood. On that note, we have a super actor from all the way from Bollywood who have acted in many movies and many events she has covered, many places she has visited, the whole family dedicated to the Indian film, Indian politics. You all know her father, Mansur Ali Khan Pataudi, who was a member of parliament also. Thank you. And her grandfather, starting from there, if he doesn't get bored, he was the first Indian captain of India, representing India before independence. And the next comes Mansur Ali Khan Pataudi. He led India for so many years, who became the most successful cricket player as well as the captain. I'm proud to say he represented Hyderabad as a test player, and he played the best cricket, the best fielder, best batsman. And now comes Saif Ali Khan and Suha Ali Khan, both the one who have made tremendous remark in the Bollywood. And now may I invite, with your applauses and your standing ovation, no other than our Bollywood actress, Miss Soha Ali Khan. At the same time, I have a request to invite our Honorable Consul General also on the stage, if you could, and we'll hear the remarks from both of them one after the other. Please come up. You guys want to hear from her? Definitely, I don't hear the voice. Do you want to hear from her? There you go. Here's Soha.
Thank you, Mr. Sharif. I'm a little bit scared of Hina ji. I believe I have 60 seconds, so I'll make it very quick. I'm very excited and honored to be here today. It is my first time to Chicago. I landed about 2.5 hours ago. I've traveled 24 hours via London from Mumbai to be here to celebrate India's Independence Day with all of you. And one thing I realized in this room, thank you. One thing I realized in this room is that India certainly is not a geographical entity that is bound by any kind of physical borders. It's really a community of people and a culture of shared values. So I feel like I traveled across the world, and I'm very much at home right now with all of you. So it feels wonderful. And I very briefly just want to thank FIA for inviting me, for Bollywood Premier Services, for Sabahat, of course, and for Iftikhar Mia over here. It's really my honor, and thank you for choosing me. And I'm looking forward to the parade tomorrow, because I think it's the first time I'm going to be a part of something like that. Thank you.
Yeah. May I introduce, you all know the man who just came last week. You know, next day he was at the events, and I thought, how come he doesn't have a jet lag? And not only him, Mrs. Farah Saeed, she also accompanied him everywhere. So this is, you know, tremendous energy they have and the love of the country. When I heard him on the 15th August, I was shocked that the deep knowledge of the Indian background and Indian culture and Indians, each and every corner of the valuable information he has, it's amazing. Let me bring you to Chicago, our own Dr. Awsaf Saeed, all the way from Yemen to here. He served as the ambassador of Yemen, and now he's here as our consul.
Good evening. Sat Sri Akal, Namaste, Adab, and a good evening to all of you who are gathered here. And a very warm welcome to our guest here, Soha. I have been giving speeches relating to Independence Day for the past 3-4 days, so I don't want to give any speech. and abiding by the instructions of Hina Trivedi. So I think I'm going to take just under 30 seconds. But I would like to just mention that we are here only for the 1 week, more than a week now. But Chicago has always been very close to our hearts. I had visited Chicago before, and I knew about the very warm and vibrant community, which we have now understood why it is called such a warm community. We have been showered with your love and affection since the day we arrived here. We have met wonderful people, and we hope to meet wonderful people too. We are all proud of your contributions. We will be there to listen to you. We will be there to interact with you during our course of stay here, me and my family. And I think this is a very, very wonderful celebration that FIA has organized. I just want to mention that FIA was the first organization to reach out to me the moment it was announced by the government that I'll be the Consul General here. So that is something wonderful. And I should also thank the man on my right for his dynamism and initiative, and also your wonderful board. So thank you very much for inviting me and my family. We also would like to enjoy the program as all of you are doing. So no more speeches. So thank you and Jai Hind.
Ladies and gentlemen, Shri Niranjan Shah is going to introduce Kirk Dillard. As the honorable guest is planning to leave soon, so I request Shri Niranjan Shah to come on the stage with Kirk Dillard. Thank you.
I'm here to welcome my friend, my neighbor, and my senator, Senator Kirk Dillard. Senator Dillard is very, very important to us because we live in his district. And in America, if you live in the city of Chicago, your alderman is very important. If you live in suburb, your state senator is most important person, more important than anybody else. And of course, he's a good friend for 25 years. We both go back. I know him since he was very, very young. Can you believe that? And he still looks very young while I lost all my hair. But Senator Dillard worked as a chief of staff to Governor Edgar. He traveled to India for the business delegation with Governor Edgar. And he is running for the governor. He is a very good friend. We know him. He is a man with a family. And I like him to say a few words to us and tell his vision.
Thank you, Niranjan. It is my honor, and again, I'm State Senator Kirk Dillard, to be here at the 67th anniversary of India's independence. This is a true honor for me, and Niranjan is a good friend, somebody who served on the University of Illinois' Board of Trustees, and I had the honor when I was Governor Edgar's Chief of Staff of traveling to India with Governor Edgar, but also Smita, Niranjan's daughter. India and the United States, and I see my colleague, High Representative Musman. How are you? India and the United States have a great partnership. And for those of us like Representative Musman and myself in American politics, we look at India as the world's largest democracy, and we are fascinated by the entrepreneurship, the industriousness, and the great education that Indian individuals bring to places like the University of Illinois and Chicagoland. I wish you well. I look forward to my next trip to India. Many of you I know will be on Devon Avenue tomorrow for the parade. I wish you well there. But America and India have a great, unique partnership. And the state of Illinois and my country, and while I'm not a federal official, we need smart, intelligent immigration reform because we need the Indian American community in a state like Illinois to keep us moving forward. So it is my honor to be here with all of you. I look forward to my next trip to India. If any of you ever want to visit my office in Westmont or the state capitol, or my living room at my home in Hinsdale, I have lots of mementos from my travels to India, and look forward to doing it again. So happy Independence Day. Again, I'm State Senator Kirk Dillard, and to the Consul General, who I know is here, thank you, sir. It is my honor to be with you at any time. Thank you very much.
Yes. Just wait for just a minute. We would now like to felicitate Senator Kirk Dillard with some flowers on behalf of FIA. Thank you, Senator.